Hey guys, this is Agent Otakon, and today I'll be opening up a collector's box edition, and this time it will be the Wind Up zenmaister. Yep. Okay, I've taken out the seal so that we won't waste time, so let's pop this box open. So this is the new exit menu, how to summon them, and oh my god. Now if you to look at this, that I actually got, I paid the price for one and I got two. Look at this, oh shit. I got two of the hollow cards, exactly the same. Oh man. Oh, that's cool. I paid the price for one and I got two. Okay, well, I guess this must be some production error. But anyway, I won't open up all these hollows since a lot of other Yu-Gi tubers have already opened up this collection box. So let's just go through the packs. Got Storm of Ragnarok, Lifetime Victory, and Hidden Arsenal for Trishura's Triumph. Okay, so let's start with Storm of Ragnarok. So if you see any of the cards that you're interested in, please drop me a message. You can either trade or you can purchase from me. Okay, the first rare, Symphony Warrior Piano. Okay, the piano has a double A, strange. Anyway. And oh god, a hollow. Symphony Warrior drum set. Cool, the first hollow. And the rest will be the commons. Solemn Authority. Tiki, so okay. Second pack of Storm of Ragnarok. Okay. Six Strike Triumph Impact. Nordic Relic Dropnik. Okay. We got a lot of Nordic cards. Okay, we got rare Blackwind Boris the Shark. Okay, all these are commons. Next pack is the Extreme Victory. Okay, this is a bit hard. Let me do it off screen. Okay, so let's see what we got. full house, which is a rare. Okay, so the rest will be commons. And of course the second last pack, Hidden Arsenal 4. Yep, finally got this open. Okay, and the last pack of the Hidden Arsenal 4. This is the last pack. Oh, this one looks like a sweet corn, but it's looks like tapioca. Okay. So it seems that the Hidden Arsenal 4, there's only 5 cards per pack. Okay, let's do a recap of what we've got. So let's go through the rares. These are the rares: Symphony Warrior Piano and Blackwing Boreas the Sharp. The rares and the hollows. Oh, sorry, there's one more rare, Full House. And the hollow will be Symphony Warrior Drums. And not to forget, I got a surprise to hollow pack of why not zenmaister, why not zenmaister, yeah. So there should be one in one box, but I got 2. So well, that's good. I mean, at least I can sell one of them, just keep one of them, or I can use it for my deck. I need duplicate cards. Yeah. Okay, this is Agent Otakon. Remember to sign out, to subscribe, comment, and drop me a message if you are interested. Okay, signing out.